What's up, my friends? How the hell is everybody doing? What's going on? Yo, yo, yo. What's up, Nap? Harry? Pioca? Is that how you say your name? Ryan? Alberto? Marshall? BitSource. What's up? Happy birthday, BitSource AML Solutions. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Like I had said, if you guys watched this morning, it would probably be, later this evening or tomorrow when we break up. And I do expect us to come up to this 97 if we don't break down from here. If we break that 97, guys, as you guys know, if you watch the channel, my next target there is the 10,200. If we can break that, we're looking at the 10.9 and then to the moon. But we have to get through these next couple days, see what happens here. It's looking pretty damn good, though, honestly. I'm going to look at the daily real quick. If you guys, like I said, if you guys have been watching, this has been my main line I'm watching. It's actually, I keep saying 9,300, but the line's actually right about 93.18. Obviously, we had some wicks below it, but that 8 EMA has supported us. These EMAs look extremely bullish on the daily. And let's get another close above this. That'll be 2 opening closes above that line, and I think that will confirm support. How's everyone doing? Hold on a second. I gotta fix this up real quick. My other computer's doing something goofy. All right, now it's getting it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I will be adding Ethereum as promised. I will probably start charting it this weekend. Like I said, I don't want to just I do not, damn it. Sorry, guys. What the hell is going on here? Let me fix this up a little bit. I'm using my wife's laptop and it doesn't like me. So, anyways, move that over here where I can see it. Thanks, cutie. Appreciate it. Tell about XRP. What do you want to know about XRP? What's up, Crypto Storm? So anyways, on the daily, like I said, these EMAs are looking pretty damn bullish. And it does look like tomorrow or the next day, that 21 EMA could be crossing the 55 EMA. Super bullish. Let's see, 4 hour, we're all coiled up here right now on the, if you guys watched this morning, I have this orange channel, excuse me, orange channel drawn in here. I had this target of 91.89. If we break through here, we have wicked through a couple times. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. But that 91.89 will align with that 55 EMA here. So if we do come down here and bounce, I wouldn't get too worried about it, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if the daily opens and we have a drop and then pop up. It doesn't have to happen, but that's kind of what I'm expecting. But anyways, regardless, a break of this trend line right here will be pretty damn bullish, guys. We might break up and go straight up, but most likely we're going to break up, come back down, and retest it. That would be my opinion. Could also draw another, let me make this one red too. Another trend line from these here. I'm not going to leave that there though. Makes it too messy. At least she likes you. F the computer. Thanks, Reg. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin is looking pretty damn bullish. If you guys watched this morning, I had this drawn in here, and we are popping out. That is bullish for Litecoin. Litecoin is looking pretty damn strong, guys. Sorry, Tone, but Litecoin's not dead, buddy. If you look here, we're getting higher lows in the price action and our lower lows in the RSI. Hidden bullish divergence. We all know what happens when we get that. And like I said, if we get above the 63.21, which we had the target the other day, and we can make that support, the next target would be up to the 67.96. Target after that would be 72.79. I don't know why that's orange. That should be green. And that's a measured move from this break, measuring this as a bull or a flagpole. Looking at this as a bull flag that we broke out of here, and that's the measured move, 72.79. Litecoin's looking pretty damn healthy, guys. Smash the likes, guys. Much appreciated. Litecoin's gonna surprise everyone, said Crypto Keys. Excuse me for 1 second. For those of you guys that are new, to the channel, if you're just tuning in, the live streams, I kind of just get on. We do a little bit of charting, not much. All my charting is done in the mornings on my daily updates. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel to get those updates. But the live streams is more just a chit chat with you guys. I mean, we'll look at what's going on with the charts, obviously, but we're not digging in deep in the live stream. So definitely make sure you subscribe and tick the notification bell to get notified. I do daily updates every single day, so you guys know. Like I said, Litecoin's looking good. Let's go into the 1 hour, kind of see what's going on here. Yeah, Litecoin's just looking bullish. We look at the 1 hour RSI. You can see it broke out of this falling channel and got a nice push up. For those of you that are new here also, I use a lot of RSI. The people that are watching my channel, hopefully you guys are learning from that and starting to use your RSI, because that is very important. I mean, you can see a lot of stuff going on that you can't see in the price action if you watch the RSI. Just like right here, we broke out of this, so most likely if this 4 hour can close outside of here, we'll continue up. Yeah. Endgame, not worried much about the noise in the middle, but I'm looking forward to breaking 10,000. Yeah, me too, man. Litecoin may lead the way to get the bull up and running. Litecoin's good at doing that, Paul Bear. Please chart XRP. Sorry, man, that is the ugliest chart in the world. It's just a giant pump and dump, if you ask me. I mean, if you can make money off it, great. But all it is they pump it up like the swell thing. They're trying to pump it up and they're gonna dump it on everybody that buys it. That's what they do. That's all that whole chart is, man. But if you can get in before the pump and then dump, I guess more power to you. How do I feel about Bitcoin Cash? I'll give you my straight opinion. It's just my opinion. Anything that competes against Bitcoin isn't gonna succeed, period. That's why I like Litecoin. It doesn't compete with Bitcoin. Break the matrix. This guy said BTC would hit 46K end of the year. Savvy must be insane. Another hater. Love you guys, man. I still think it's possible. It could definitely still be possible if you have a clue of what Bitcoin can do. And if you don't, maybe I'll show you real quick. All right, so let's look at where we're at now. We're at what, 93.50, and we're in November. Let's go over to, where's November over here? November was 7,500. So let's take a look at that. 7,500 November 2017. That was a 165% rise in November. Let's just see what that would look like over here. That would be about 25,000. So we could still definitely see new all-time highs this year. But another thing I want to show you real quick. Let's get out the fib extension and put it over here. Go up to the top of this bull flag right here and go up, and that hit almost the 3.618. Let's do the same thing right here. To the top of the bull flag, to the bottom. Where's that 3.618? Oh, boom, right at 46,000. So, anyways, it's funny, the people that really don't understand Bitcoin, they're probably from Forex or traditional markets. Those guys do not get it at all. That's why most of them guys are way off. Oh, Break the Matrix got timed out. What a shame. BitSource, I know you love Bitcoin Cash, man. I can't stand them, though. I think it's just a scam coin. Roger really screwed up trying to make people think it was Bitcoin. That's horrible. Jay said, I have today marked 20K Savvy prediction in August. Litecoin takes the risk as Bitcoin's testnet. Exactly, John. What do you think the Bitcoin dominance would be at 46K? It all depends on how much new money is coming in. Do you think we'll keep pumping after 46K? If we get to 46K, I'm pretty damn sure we'll have a retracement. You know, we may retrace. If we get to 46K, we'd probably retrace down to mid-20s maybe. The Matrix just got broke. Have I seen the weekly stocks? No, I don't watch stock RSI. Savvy, how much BTC need to have? Whatever you're comfortable with. It's different for everybody. First of all, do you understand what Bitcoin is? That's the whole point. A lot of people don't get, man. No, I don't follow silver, BitSource. So that's kind of getting to me in the space that people really don't understand even what Bitcoin is. People are coming in trying to get rich quick. There's no doubt in my mind, Bitcoin, if you understand what Bitcoin is and how it works, of what it's going to be, you know, especially being a limited supply, people don't seem to understand that. It's going to be huge. Begster, smash the likes, folks. Don't forget, take a second out, smash the likes, guys. We'll be headed well into the six figures in this bull run, said Dan T. Oh, for sure. I think this bull run will probably end in 2021. And let me go into the weekly or the monthly RSI. Whoops, that's not it. I think I'm on the wrong chart. There we go. So that's the monthly RSI. Let's go on to the weekly. So looking at the weekly RSI here, this is what I think is going on. This is a cycle. This is 2013 over here, followed by the bear market. 2017 followed by the bear market. It's 4 years. This would be 2021. And this isn't exact, this line, but I just put it up there to kind of get an idea. If you guys can see here, 2013, we peaked out here. This trend line, this was the bear market. It came up, tried to get through twice. We got resisted twice before breaking through and starting this bull market. This is the 2017 bull market followed by the bear market. 2 touches of resistance on this trend line before breaking through, starting the bull market that we are now in. And as you can see, the moves are way bigger. I mean, this is going to be massive, guys. I really believe that. Thanks, Paul Bear. Appreciate the tip, man. Savvy does this all for free and is the best of the best. No BS. Just here to help. Tons of con artists out there for sure, man. Litecoin's pumping. Nice. It is trying to, definitely. It actually broke that peak there. It may continue up. Probably get a little retrace before going up back up though, I would imagine. But yeah, that's what I was talking about. We closed that 4-hour candle outside of this, so we should remain bullish though. You know what's funny? When you guys see haters in here, it really makes me laugh. I was reading a book and I don't do much reading, but it's funny. It was saying like trolls and people that hate on other people are just pissed off because they have no success. They're not succeeding. They get jealous and pissed off of other people succeeding. So it's kind of funny now since I read that and watch trolls and haters. I kind of feel bad for them. Are we dumping? Somebody said. I would not call that dumping. But like I said on this daily, the daily did start. So yeah, like I said, this daily could come back down here, guys, and retest down here before continuing up. I would expect this 91.89 area to hold. 91.89 to 91.90, somewhere in there. But remember, we do have lower targets if that doesn't hold, and that's the Fibonacci levels down here. Lowest one being 8,000. I don't know. I don't think that's gonna happen. I could be wrong. It could go down there, but I really think we're going up. Especially, you know, just take a look at the EMAs right here. That's bullish. That is super bullish with the EMAs. Anybody that uses them knows that. I mean, we got the 21's getting ready to cross the 55. That will happen possibly. That'll happen tomorrow. So that will be, that's a pretty big deal, man. Litecoin, Bitcoin, MACD is getting my plums tingling. I don't use the MACD, man, but that's funny. Well, the size of the flag compared to the recent ones, this one is going to be a massive move to the upside. Yeah, man, for sure. Let's take a quick look. Look at that flag. Look at this flag and what happened after this flag. Massive. Massive, massive, massive move coming. In my opinion, of course, this is not financial advice. This is my opinion, not yours. Surely most cryptos are in hard wallets now, not much left available. I'm sure there's quite a bit in there, but there's a lot of people trading, man. A lot of people trading, and a lot of people waiting to trade this. By the way, for you guys that said you like my shirt, you can check it out. I have a link below the video in the description, inkyourimage.com. It is my wife's webpage. She has other stuff in there too. The hoodies aren't listed, but you can contact her in the contact section. She can put anything you want on any of this stuff. Pictures, different cryptos, if you like Ethereum, whatever, whatnot. Just so you guys know, that's an easy way to support the channel and keep this content free. Never buy after a big move like this one. No consolidation present. I want to talk about that real quick. Be careful who you follow and who you watch, guys, because I seen Whoops. Let me put that back. I seen a guy telling his followers not to FOMO in down here, to short here, not to FOMO in here, to short here, and they got absolutely obliterated. Some people that don't know how to trade get on and act like they do. People are paying this guy to tell them how to lose their money. Be careful, guys. If people are that good at trading, they don't need to charge you to show them how to trade. They're obviously just making money off you without taking risk, and it's a whole lot easier that way. Nice shirt, but answer, 91 down or 98 up? You have to watch for confirmation. If we break this right here, this 93 is support right now. I'm not trading this little area. I'm trading the break of this big channel. That is what my plan is. If we do break this 97 up here, if you guys want to learn to trade, I do have a Bybit tutorial. You can check it out on my page, and a Bybit link down below. If you sign up, you get a $60 bonus. There's also another one down there for Prime XBT, and you get a $35 bonus for signing up with that one. So if you guys want to play with leverage trading, but I suggest you definitely practice first on a fake exchange like the Bybit testnet or something like that, and then when you do actually start trading for money, use small amounts and go really low leverage. It is dangerous, guys. What's up, Iceman? Did you get ordered by wifey to send my clothes today? Nah, she sent them in. She brought it in, man. She threw a couple extra things in there for you, bit newbie. Ilham, no, it wasn't Crypto Kirby, but he's just as bad. I'm actually probably worse. He charges a lot more and screws people, if you ask me. Dill P. You must be one of them guys that has zero success and gets jealous of successful people, huh? Kirby's correct about 45% of the time. Kirby says both directions. Here's Kirby. I'll show you Kirby real quick. Not to make fun of him, but I'm going to make fun of him. He'll say, this is a support and resistance area right here. It's only about $2,000, and then I'm looking for this area down here. So we're probably going to hit one of these areas. I mean, basically, that's all he says. All the time, every video. He gives you no real nothing. Yeah, trolls are just basically lonely, loser, don't have nothing better to do with their life people. It's all good. That's a sales technique, Nap. Slamming the desk and snapping fingers, it's a sales technique. Crypto keys. So many people are missing the point. They say, how much can I make on this? How much can I make on that? Not really realizing that one day all the fiat will be worthless. Exactly. I say that all the time. You know, think how you will, but I'm just going to explain how I feel. I would really... Crown's pretty good. At least you can see his trades. Yeah, I mean, he's an actual trader. I get that, but yeah, I show my trades too when I do them. I haven't been doing a lot of trades lately. I did a real small one last night, got stopped out by the time I woke up, but anyways, so you got people that say save your capital, save your capital, save your capital. I would rather lose fiat and gain Bitcoin. I get way more sick to my stomach if I lose any Bitcoin than I do if I lose fiat. Matthew said I started watching you and Kirby at the same time. You see who I'm watching now. Also, dude wanted 1.5K in Bitcoin for like a month of VIP. Yeah, and if you get in that VIP, you can't talk to the other people in there. And if you say anything bad about him, he boots you. And there's nothing you can do about it. Tangible assets is key to true wealth. Edward Park, congrats on breaking 11,000 subs. Thanks, man. Offshore 33cc endgame. You'll be shopping with Satoshis, not worthless green paper. Exactly. You know, that's a point I make too. Like, all right, let's go back here. Actually, let's go into the BLX index real quick. Ask the people that bought back here at 27 cents and sold at, you know, 20 bucks. And probably were happy as shit. Thought they made a killing. But if they would have just held, what would they have now? And it wasn't that long ago, guys. We're talking 9-10 years. When is the end game? 2050, when democracy dies? I think the end game's way before that. Way before that. Knapp said, I can't believe anyone pays for actually pays for courses. You deserve to lose money if you pay for it. Just stupidity. Unfortunately, people, you know, I don't know. Unfortunately, people just con people into it in their own little conny ass ways. But like I said, if a trader's that good, he's most likely not going to charge people for anything. Most likely, you know, he's can make enough money trading. I just, that shit makes no sense to me. Endgame already in place, said Paul. Right on, man. People can learn a lot from a course, however, it's getting the right course. And it's not only that, everybody trades different. A course is going to show you one thing. Anything you buy off any of them courses, any of them, you can find for free on the internet. People say, well, you got to look around more. Well, even if you take a course, it takes a shitload of practice. You don't just take a course and become a good trader. You're going to lose your ass for a while. It's guaranteed. You're going to lose for a while. You're going to lose for a while when you begin trading. No course is going to make you a good trader. You got to put in the hours, the effort, the time. If you can't do that, you're not going to go anywhere. No XRP by Discord, Democratic vote. Steve Hubbs, the biggest con as a newbie in 2017 was FOMOing into a bunch of altcoins per YouTuber suggestions. Yeah, there was a lot of that going on, but I think a lot of those guys got paid. You got to think about it. Crypto, they're not advertising stuff on TV. The only way to get it out to people is through Reddit, you know, Facebook, YouTube. That is media. That is the media. Savvy haters love your success, right? That's another thing too. People that trade say that Forex and everything is the same. It's not. It is not the same. It's a totally different kind of market. That's why they can't get the big moves and stuff. They can't contemplate the size of the moves in Bitcoin. I don't day trade, but still watch your videos every day to learn new things about trading. Yeah, you, like I said, Philip, you know, people think they're just going to learn it from watching a course or whatnot. It's not, man. It takes practice, hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of staring at charts and seeing what works for you. And that's why I've narrowed it down to what I use. I don't use a bunch of indicators. I think it's a bunch of noise. I think if you get used to just a few, it's just a lot better than having to pull out a bunch of indicators and get a bunch of mixed signals. Period. Looks like Litecoin came down and retesting the top of this now on the RSI. That's what I had said. It'd probably come back down, retrace a little bit if you guys were watching a couple minutes ago, and then it's most likely going to continue up, guys. Litecoin's looking pretty damn healthy. Really damn healthy. 90% of the fish are caught by 10% of the fishermen. Time on the water. Right on. What gets to me is how many people on Facebook are expert Forex traders, right? Everybody that's traded Forex thinks they're an expert. Same with crypto. I mean, everybody claims to be an expert. It's kind of sad, really. They claim to be an expert, and then they want to charge you to join their VIPs and their telegrams and pay for their Patreon to get special stuff and bunch of BS, man. Trading is like parenting. One has absolutely no idea until they're actually in it. Right, Shannon? Frank Inglis, the debt is 14.2 trillion. That is a stack of $100 or $1,000 notes, 980 times 0.74 miles high. If we started paying back at 1 hour since birth of Christ, we wouldn't even have paid the interest yet, right? So for someone like me, Financial Freedom Network, join the Discord, man. Check it out. There's for anybody in here, it's totally free Discord. We don't charge. None of that shit. Just check it out. Great group of people. Everybody helps everybody out in there. There's traders in there. There's people there's just tons of knowledge in there. You can pretty much, if you have a question, somebody in there can help you with it. And I think if you try it out, you'll stick around. It's a great group. There's a link to that in the description too. Just scroll down and you'll see the free link to the Discord group. Check it out. It's an awesome group, man. I feel I've gotten some pretty good damn friends out of there too. It's nice to go somewhere if you're a crypto enthusiast, somewhere to go where you can meet other crypto enthusiasts. Chris Moody title. I've paid to be part of two people's VIP groups. Half of the signals they put out don't happen the way they say. I ended up canceling my memberships. Yeah, man. Like I said, everything that they're charging you for, you can learn for free, man. And better, because you can teach yourself as you're doing it. They're not going to teach you shit. And like I said, everybody's trading style, risk management's the biggest thing, but everybody's trading style, their, risk tolerance, everything's different. So trading styles are different. Not one style is going to work for everybody. You got to come up with your own. Edward Park said that's what I did. Denlit, 2017 pump was year after having due to supply demand. Just curious, what do you think will happen? It will happen earlier now. Hope you're all right, though. Why do I think it'll happen early? Because the market's pretty young. It isn't like we've had 47 halvings. Yeah, I think there's going to be other things to cause it go up, not just a halving. That's kind of just a hype thing. I think things are going to happen. I believe. I don't watch a lot of the news stuff. I mean, I watch some news channels that I like. I like the people, Crypto Zombie. I like watching Bitcoin Ben and just watching them guys, see what they have to say and stuff. But I honestly believe in the charts, and I think you can see the stuff in the charts before you get the news. I honestly do. Stephen Hubbs said, buy dollar cost average and hold long term. This is a reaccumulation phase, in my opinion. Where do you see Litecoin going if everything goes parabolic? Who knows? I'm pretty sure Litecoin will go well over $500 though. Maybe 1,000. When do you think the golden cross will happen? What golden cross are you talking about? The 50 or the 100 and 200 people are talking about? I don't use that. All I use is exponential moving averages. That's it. Savvy, do you agree that everyone at one point or another loses if you're trading? It's all part of it. Yeah, definitely. I mean, you gotta take losses to learn how to be more disciplined so you understand the market better. I truly believe that. I took a lot of losses. I still take losses, but I know how to set my stop losses, so they're small losses. When you say Litecoin will go over 500 to 1,000, can I ask what are you basing your prediction on? I base my prediction on it moves right along with Bitcoin. It's like Bitcoin's little brother. And Bitcoin, I don't care what anybody says, Bitcoin's going to stick around because Litecoin's going to stick around because Litecoin is Bitcoin's test net. Before they put anything, just like back when they put, I can't even think of the name of it right now, but before they put stuff on Bitcoin, they'll put it on Litecoin to test it out. Litecoin takes all the risk. If it works, then they can put it on Bitcoin. Take it easy, Edward. Have a good one, man. Thanks for tuning in. Good to see you too, man. Chainlink prediction. I don't follow Chainlink. Sorry, man. Segwit, yeah, that's what I was trying to think of. But yeah, Segwit got tested on Litecoin before it went to Bitcoin, and Litecoin does not compete with Bitcoin. It's not trying to be Bitcoin. And as much as people hate to say it, and I see a lot of YouTubers out there saying we have to start spending Bitcoin, that's what it's for, blah, blah, blah. I don't believe that. I believe that Bitcoin is going to be a store of value just the way it is. It's secure as hell. It's a great store of value. And Litecoin and maybe some other stuff will be the spending coins that you actually spend. I really don't think Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin's the digital gold. Opinion on Facebook Libra? Junk. That's my opinion on it. Yeah, man, if you're losing all the trades, trading's not for everybody. Won't spend any crypto until IRS changes its stance. Yeah, I don't plan on selling any of mine anyways. When do you think we will see a consolidation of a lot of altcoins and concentration into few winning cryptos? I don't know. There's so many mixed opinions on that. In my opinion, actually, obviously, guys, not many of these cryptos that people are looking at, even in the top, if you look back in like 2005 and then 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, and look at the top cryptos that were there, they're all gone. And I think these top cryptos are going to be gone too. Litecoin stuck around. Ethereum has stuck around. Yeah, I think a lot of these are just going to fall apart. I think a lot of them are just false hope, just blowing smoke up people's asses, making crazy promises. They can say that this is what they're working on and they're almost getting it. But, when it comes down to it, how many are real? Probably about 3 to 5%. Good book I'm reading now, Blockchain Revolution by Don and Alex Tapscott. I'll have to check it out. Are there any bots that can trade for you? I wouldn't mess with bots personally, man, but they're out there. I wouldn't mess with them. Paul Bear said, Savvy, I know you don't track the 100 EMA, but heard if the 55 crosses above the 100, that could be very bullish. Rest of the EMAs are in their respective place on the weekly. Yeah, man, but like I said, you can use all those, whatever ones you want. Anybody can use whichever ones they want. What I've used and what has worked for me, I understand how they move because that's all I use. I don't keep flicking a bunch of different crap on here. But like right now, this is pretty bullish. You see the 8 EMAs crossing the 55 here. And that's in the daily on Litecoin. And look over at Bitcoin on the daily. Those have already crossed. And the 21, the 8, the 13 already crossed. The 21's crossed the next. That's pretty damn bullish if you ask me. Pretty damn bullish. Philip, when are you doing TA on ETH? I'm going to start this weekend. I want to look it over and kind of get a feel for it because I've just done quick ETH ones. I want to give you guys a good analysis. I don't just want to throw some shit together. So I'm going to actually, go over it. There's another thing too. I see a lot of guys, I see some of the YouTubers, they're going into 15-minute time frames and shit and trying to judge, big moves off the 15-minute time frames and shit. That's ridiculous. If you're following someone like that, you should probably move on, man. Les blessed. That hoodie's dope. Me likey. Go down to inkyourimage.com below here. She sells those too, but you have to hit her up in the contacts to get a hoodie or stuff. It's not actually listed on here. But check it out. That's a good way to help support the channel. The other way to help support the channel is totally free, is just hit the like button. And when you watch the videos in the morning, just smash the likes and leave a comment, guys. That really helps the channel out. It helps YouTube get the videos out in front of more people. James Carty said, buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold, and you will be fine. Remember, right now is the time to buy. Later, when it goes way up, you'll be crying you didn't buy. Doug Polk Crypto was the only guy I watched. Now you. Never heard of him. I have to check it out. 185 watching and 68 likes. How sad. Some people are so damn selfish. Thanks, Financial Freedom. Appreciate it, man. Make sure you check out the Discord group too. I think you'll get a lot of useful information out of there. Like I said, there's a lot of newbies. There's a lot of people with experience. A lot of people that have been in crypto for a long time. Traders. People that know about mining. All kinds of stuff, man. Why would two people give thumbs down? That's just how they are, man. Haters gonna hate. It's all good. Not everybody can like you, right? I am Savvy. How does Bitcoin get moved? How much money does it take to green candle it like that? There's a lot of money, man. I mean, a lot of money to normal people. But, someone with a few million that want to push it one way or the other can get it started, because then people FOMO. Whether they sell a bunch and then people get scared and start selling, or they buy a bunch, people get all excited and start buying. Stormzy Coin Life, Savvy, even the 15-minute is needed to find good entry. Yeah, I'm not talking about that. That's not what I said, Stormy. I said people are trying to judge long moves on the 15-minute and crap. No, I get it. When you're getting in your entries and your exits, yeah, you go to smaller time frames. Ryan said, I need that sweatshirt you're wearing. That's another thing. I want to give a huge shout out and thanks to everybody that's been ordering stuff from inkyourimage.com. My wife's business. I really appreciate it. You guys rock. That's awesome. Philip Burns said thumbs down are from people from Australia, upside down. Victorian Violet, I hit the like a while ago. Well, thank you very much. Yeah, I think if you watch the video this morning, I was saying I think either overnight tonight or tomorrow is when we'll most likely start headed up towards the 97 area. And again, guys, remember that's my opinion, not financial advice. And Litecoin is still looking pretty damn good. What's it look like in the 1 hour? Yeah, see how the EMAs are spreading out nicely? It's actually looking pretty damn good. And RSI looks good. Going to the 4 hour. Like I said, it's coming back down to test the top of that. Looks good. I think we'll get a bounce and continue up. A little bit more for Litecoin. Anything on the back of the shirt? No, she can put something on the back if you want it on the back. Got Bitcoin down the sleeve. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got Bitcoin down the sleeve too. Whoops. Let me get this. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm trying to get this crap to work. Nope. Dang it. Oh well. I saw on TradingView a very good forecast. First, we're going to touch 618 fib and then go up. Some people rely on that 618 fib a little too much. Not saying it can't happen, but someone's trying to ride a 6.618 little wave there. We do not have to touch it. I don't know what is going on with this. Oh well. Can you quickly check Ethereum to US dollar? Is it by US law that you all say no, not financial advice? Yeah, because idiots will try to sue people because they just take what somebody says and they trade off it, and if they lose, unfortunately in America, our laws suck and they let people sue for anything. I mean, America's sue happy, and unfortunately it's like that. So anyways, let's see. Whoops, that's the Discord group for anybody that wants to check it out. And Bitcoin's gonna come up and try to make it another attempt at this, it looks like. Sad, but you have to give a disclaimer. Yeah, it sucks, man. I'm gonna probably end up writing one in. I gotta check into it and make sure that'd be all right. And you know, as long as I put that up, that way I don't have to go through that every video. I know it gets annoying. It gets annoying for me saying it. I hate it, so I apologize for it. But like I said, unfortunately, I live in America, and people are sue happy. People don't want to work for a living. They just want to sue people for their money. Can you recommend a playlist where I can learn to read charts like that and learn about trading? Yeah, you can learn that stuff in the Discord. I have a few little simple ones I made. I haven't sat down and really took enough time to make some. I have like 4 on my YouTube channel. Tutorials on EMAs. I think I did trend lines and formations and something else. So RSI. You can check that out to get you started. There's tons out there though. Tons and tons. Don't apologize. I'd rather you be here than in court with some Yahoo. People need to learn to be accountable for their own actions. Exactly, man. Philip Byrne, Night Savvy, safe trading. I'm off to bed. See you again in tomorrow's video. Take it easy, man. Crypto Capsule. Yeah, I'm near Cleveland. I actually go to Cleveland for work here and there. Losses equate to lessons, folks. Looks like we're pushing. Yep, looks like she's trying to push again. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let me get this trend line off here. See what happens. It's above the EMAs again. It got support on the 55, but this is only the 1 hour. Keep that in mind. Unless we break this trend line, that might be pretty bullish. All a big scam. LOL. Cartel controls avocados, which sells for Bitcoin. Their charts are too similar. Oh my God, that is ridiculous. Accountability is not in vogue these days, apparently. Nice. I'm in New York. I own a few rental properties in the city. Sweet. What do you do in your job? I own one company. I run a branch for another company. We do heavy equipment tires, giant tires, like in stone quarries, mines, coal mines, heavy construction. We service, sell, and manage fleets. Anthony, who are you talking about? Just let him go. Who cares? He's just making an idiot of himself. It's all good. I don't care. All he does is looks like an ass to people, so it's kind of... if he wants to look like an ass, it's cool, man. Oh, some people. God. Gotta move this over so I can see. There we go. So anyways, who do you guys watch for your crypto news? Just out of curiosity. Shannon said kill him. Go ahead, kill him. What's your take on the Golden Cross theory? Will it make a difference? Crypto Zombie and CryptoSavy. I don't give you news though. Jeffrey Walker likes Altcoin Daily. But I don't do news. I just do charts. I'm asking about news. Doing Zombie, the Moon. Mostly Savvy and Zombie. K-Dub, Zombie, Altcoin Daily, and Crypto Lark. You Crow, the Crypto Analyst, K-Dub, Savvy Discord, Sunny Decree, Zombie, Sweater looks great. I watch Crypto RS. Yeah, I watch George once in a while too, because he does live streams. I like to get in and chat with people. Chico's Drama Queen, Crypto Lark, Zombie, ESPN, and Oko. Lark, Crypto Lark. I've been hearing more about Lark. I've never really watched him. News isn't relevant. It's all TA. Yeah. Zombie Moon, Kevin Svensson. Fund manager when he's not denying bad calls. Fund manager. Is that dude still around? Crypto Love. Go Bitcoin Ben. He went off on the government the other day. Yeah, they shut that video down too. I like Bitcoin Ben too. Bitcoin Ben and Crypto Zombie are really about the only ones I actually watch. I don't watch any TA guys just because I don't want to mess up the way I think about TA. It works for me. I don't want to get some weird ideas in my head. Crown's good. He just talks too damn much. They banned him on Twitter because he makes workarounds. What's that? Fethy Chem. I am in the Midwest. He was in the Discord last month. Fund manager. What? Was he really? Hopefully someone booted his ass. Savage baby 2 times. Thanks. Crypto Lark is good, but looks like a pedo. I don't know what a pedo is, but all right. Ben is great. Yeah, Ben's got some passion, man. Crypto Zombie, he adds some good humor in his videos, man. That's what I like about him. He's got some humor in him. He's got a whole lot of freaking energy, and his intros rock. All right, little survey. Who's bearish and who's bullish? I mean, on this move here, if you think we're going to be going up from here, hit 1. If you think we're going down, hit 2. I just want to take a little poll here and see what you guys think. He looks like Ron Jeremy. What happened to all the BitConnect YouTubers? They changed their names and put masks on. Oh, maybe it was an imposter. Who knows? Might have been him trying to shill his crap. A lot more bulls in here. What's 3? Mixed? Don't know. Undecided. $72.96 was the low according to Bob Lucas. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the low myself. I don't see it going any lower. Bearish after seeing all the ones. Yeah, man, but that's... most of these people aren't trading either. How many people are trading? Hit 1. Hit 2 if you don't trade. Hit 2. Hit 3 if you hold and trade. That'll give you a better idea. Holders are going to be more bullish, but doesn't mean they're trading bullish. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. Please talk more about Bitcoin. I must have something to post to my Telegram. What? Long-term bull. I'm a long-term bull too. What's up, Jonathan Silver? What time is it? Oh, shit. Been about an hour. Well, guys, I think that's about it for me. It looks like Bitcoin's trying to pump a little bit again. Look for it. If we get a pop past the 93.80, we'll probably be seeing a push up to the 9,700 within the next day or so. And if that breaks, like I said, I'm looking for somewhere around the 10.2. I think I had it. Yeah, somewhere around there. Those are my targets up. Worst case, if we go down, I expect the 91.90 to hold. And if it doesn't, then we'll look at these lower Fibonacci levels. But I think we could be heading up from here, guys. Your business take crypto? Yeah, the wife's page does. Anchorimage.com. Her business does. She accepts Bitcoin. Joel, thanks for the tip, man. Appreciate that. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate all you guys' support. Remember to check out the links down below. There's some discount links that if you use, you get discounts. There's some other ones. If you guys check out Brave Browser if you haven't, if you're sick of watching the commercials and stuff, you don't have to watch all that stuff if you use the Brave Browser. There's a lot of good stuff down there. Check out the links below. If you can use them, that really helps the channel out. Appreciate it. Take it easy, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you. I might see you later in the Discord. But other than that, have a great night. I'll see you in the morning. Make sure you subscribe, smash the likes. Take it easy, guys. I'm out.